How's it going, everybody? Chris with FireBot. Today we're going to go over how to assemble your FireBot and the first steps you want to take. First step is to put together your nozzle bar assembly. Remove the nozzle bar from the foam packaging. Set the 2 push pins aside. If you do have a kinked hose, don't worry about it. It will expand as you expand the rest of the Y-bar assembly. Take the nozzle bar, pull the tubes at the bottom, and gently push the tubes up. Take the push rivets and insert them in the hole. You should hear a small click. Your nozzle bar is now ready to be installed. Remove the rest of the FireBot from the packaging. Set the box aside. Your wall mount is going to be on the back side of the housing. It should come off. Set that aside. Next, remove the 5 screws at the top of the housing. Pull the lid up vertically and set that aside. Your nozzle assembly is now ready to be installed. Ensure the cutout is facing you along with the blue thermal sensors. Insert the rectangle into the rectangular slot in the housing. Insert until you cover up the line. Now take the Y connector and insert it on the tube on the pump. Push it on until it's flush with the other push to connect. Tuck the wires in neatly. You're now ready to reinstall the lid. The front lip on the lid needs to tuck into the inside of the housing. The front of the housing will be flush. Reinsert the 5 screws at the top of the housing. Your FireBot is now complete. Do one final check. Make sure your nozzles are pointed towards the bottom part of the housing. On both sides, you can see the blue beads on either side of the nozzle. You're now ready to move on to the next step.